This is the first in a series of short videos to teach you about how to communicate a relationship algebraically. Let's start with a quote by the Buddha. It says, "All things appear and disappear because of the concurrence of causes and conditions. Nothing exists entirely alone. Everything is in relation to everything else." And notice how I've underlined the word relation, because obviously it has part of the word relation in the word relationship. So let's explore a little bit what we mean by relationship in mathematics. We have to be quite a bit more precise than we are in typical English usage. So the first thing you want to do is to play this little game with yourself. We want to do it multiple times, although we can get started with this first part and say to ourselves, is there a relationship between one thing and another? Yeah, well, here's some examples. Is there a relationship between the time of day and the position of the sun? Yes or no? Is there a relationship between how often you exceed the speed limit and how many speeding tickets you have? Is there a relationship between your age and the rate of car insurance premium that you pay? Is there a relationship between the day of the month and the phase of the moon? Okay, so I've left one here for you to fill in. Okay? Get the idea of the game? That's how you start with this process of determining whether a relationship can be communicated algebraically. Is just come up with some ideas, just like these.